We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Pokemon as well as how to say more unclear Pokemon names, so you'll know it all. But how do you go about pronouncing this one? Before it was officially revealed, fans pronounced it, logically, as Arceus. But then a promotional trailer for Arceus pronounced it as Arceus, so that was confusing. Then they revealed the official pronunciation of it. That is, in fact, well, from Pokemon.com mailbag, at least, Arceus. Arceus. Then you've got it. Arceus is the official pronunciation, like it or not. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Pokemon names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.